Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to set or change the startup page in your Brave browser. So every time you open it, it goes exactly where you want. First, open Brave on your computer and click the menu icon at the top right, that little hamburger button. Scroll down and select the settings gear from the menu. Once the settings page opens, look for the On Startup section. Here you have a few options. If you want Brave to open a specific page, select Open a Specific Page or Set of Pages, then click Add a New Page. You can now type in the URL you want as your homepage, or copy and paste it directly. After that, click Add. If you already have a page open that you want to use as your homepage, there's an option called Use Current Pages. Just click it, and Brave will automatically set the open tabs as your startup pages. Now, if you ever want to remove or change a page, click the three dots next to the page and select Remove. Keep in mind, if you have multiple pages listed here, Brave will open all of them on startup. So usually one page is enough to keep things simple. And that's it. Your Brave browser will now start exactly where you want it to. If this guide helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.